Okay, today's lesson's on how to dimension these lines here. Traditionally we'd use annotations and dimension them, but I've actually found a better way of doing it. So let's have a chat about that today. First things I want to say is that I'm actually in the site plan here, and massing and siting, I did my property line via the massing and siting site property line. Okay, a few other things. Number one, that is a section line. So what we're going to do is just right click and we're going to hide and view element. This one here is quite interesting. If you click on that, you can see that you've got all this information here. Angle to true north. So if I change that to, say, 23 degrees, even though this doesn't move, your north marker will when you put it in. So it's pretty important that you figure out what the angle to true north is and put that in. If I actually move this aside, you can see that we've got this little marker here. That's a survey point. Now you'd normally find them somewhere on your block. It's normally on the corner of the block. Anyway, let's put that back. Alright, so how do we dimension this? Well, if we come up here to annotate, you'll find that we've got tag by category. If I click on that, I can grab that line and I'll just zoom in, and you can see that it's got how long it is and its reference and its angle. Now if you don't want that leader line, there, which doesn't look very good, then you can do it this way. Just go back, annotate, tag by category. You notice that we've got a leader tag up the top there. Let's get rid of that, and it comes up very nicely like that. And it's just a matter of doing that for each side. And what you've got is distances and angles for all of those, and that's a very valid way of writing it. Alright, in addition to this, it's nice to put a reference point on this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So try not to leave a leader here if you haven't got them there. You need to be consistent about what you do in your drawings. So still in spot annotate, I want you to hit spot elevation. You'll notice your ribbon changes and you have a chance of spot elevation or spot coordinate. What we're after is spot coordinate. If I go down to the point, then I can click it, drag it away, double click it, and it points and tells you what that position is or coordinate. Do the same for this corner, and you do the same for the other corners. So there you go. You've got measurements, you've got angles, you've got spot coordinates, all to give you a professional job. Okay, I hope that helps.